Now we're going to learn interesting and exciting. So first, interesting. Interesting is when something makes you think. It grabs your attention and you want to know more about it. Books are interesting. What you learn in school is interesting because you want to know more and you really just want to think about it and learn more about it. So can you repeat after me, interesting?
Interesting.
Good. Now exciting. Exciting is fun. Exciting is happy. Exciting is something that you really, really want to do. Like parties are exciting and presents are exciting. So can you repeat after me, exciting?
Exciting.
Good. So here are some examples to show interesting things and exciting things. This book is about shells. It's about all the different kinds of shells that you might find on beaches all over the world. And so I bet you'd like to know more about where these shells are found and what kind of animals live inside of these shells, right?
Right.
So this book is interesting because it makes you want to know more and learn more. But what would be really exciting is if I said, I'm going to take you on a really fun trip to the beach. And then when we got to the beach, you found all of these different shells on the beach. I bet you would think that'd be really exciting if you found all these shells on the beach, right?
Right.
Okay, good. So the book is interesting because you're learning about the shells and you want to know more about them. But what's exciting is when you get to go to the beach and play on the beach and have fun and find all of the shells. So another example, do you know what this man's doing?
On the moon?
That's right. This man got in a spaceship and he flew all the way to the moon. And now he's walking around on the moon. So I bet you'd like to know more about how that spaceship got to the moon and what he found on the moon, right?
Yes.
So that's interesting. All that information is interesting. But you know what would be really exciting? Is if I said, I have a ticket. And with that ticket, you can get in a spaceship and you can fly to the moon too. And you're going to get in the spaceship and there's going to be smoke and it's going to and you're going to go all the way up to the moon, right? That's pretty exciting. So when you get to the moon, I bet you're going to see a lot of things you've never seen before. There's going to be weird rocks and you're going to see some stars and it's going to be pretty crazy. So I bet it's going to be pretty interesting to find out what's on the moon. But going there in a rocket ship, that's pretty exciting, right?
Yes.
Good. Okay, here's another example. Do you know who this is?
Justin Bieber?
That's right. Okay, so I bet there's some things about Justin Bieber that would be pretty interesting to know. Maybe some things you'd like to know more about him, like where does Justin Bieber do his shopping, or what does Justin Bieber talk to his parents about? Those things are pretty interesting. But you know what would be really exciting is if you got a ticket to go to a Justin Bieber concert and you got to meet Justin Bieber. That's pretty exciting, right?
Yes.
You'd be pretty happy about that. Okay, so then once you're at the concert, if you met Justin Bieber, all the things that you'd want to ask him, like where does he go shopping, those things are interesting. Okay? Then one last example. Let's see if you can tell which thing is interesting to me and which thing is exciting to me. So one of the really cool things about holidays is that all over the world they celebrate holidays differently. So I really, really want to know more about holidays in different places, like holidays here in South Korea. So I know that you guys have a holiday coming up called Children's Day in less than a month, and you guys get to get out of school early, and you get presents, and it's really fun, right? So if I'm just really, really can't wait for Children's Day, is that because Children's Day is exciting to me, or because Children's Day is interesting?
Exciting?
That's right. And if I want to learn more about Children's Day, because you know, I'm from America and maybe I don't know that much about it yet, is that because Children's Day is interesting or exciting?
Interesting?
Great, good job.